Have you ever seen a wall built with Ndarugo stones start cracking just a few months after construction? Many people blame the stones, but most of the time, the problem is not the stone itself. In this video, I will explain exactly why Ndarugo stones crack and how to prevent it before you even start building. Hi, I'm Njeri from Veewave Enterprises, where we offer professional construction management services and connect you with trusted suppliers like Brayo Wa Ndarugo Mawe for genuine machine cut stones. Let's uncover the real reasons behind those cracks and what you can do to avoid them. 1. Poor curing after quarrying. If Ndarugo stones are not allowed to dry and cure properly after cutting, they retain moisture. Once used on site, they shrink as they dry, leading to cracks on your wall. 2. Weak mortar mix. A common mistake is using too much sand and not enough cement. Always maintain a strong mortar ratio, about 1:4 or 1:5 cement to sand for stable bonding. 3. Uneven foundation settlement. If the ground underneath is not compacted or reinforced properly, the foundation shifts and the wall cracks, no matter how strong your stones are. 4. Rapid drying or weather exposure. Direct sun or strong wind can make mortar dry too quickly, leading to shrinkage cracks. Always cure your walls with water during the first few days. And finally, number 5, using fake or soft stones. Not all stones sold as Ndarugo are genuine. Some come from weaker quarries and break easily. Always buy from verified suppliers. Now, how to prevent cracks. 1. Buy genuine fully cured stones from reputable suppliers like Brayo Wa Ndarugo Mawe. 2. Use correct mortar ratio. Avoid saving on cement. Weak mix equal to future cracks. 3. Proper foundation and printing beam. Ensure solid base support. 4. Cure the wall. Sprinkle water for 3 to 7 days after walling. And finally, hire skilled masons. Workmanship plays a huge role in wall integrity. So, here is the professional tip. Before plastering, always check for fine hairline cracks and fill them early. It is cheaper to fix at this stage than after finishing. So, next time someone tells you Ndarugo stones crack easily, you will know the truth. It's all about how they are handled and installed. If you'd like professional supervision or supply of genuine strong Ndarugo stones, reach out to Veewave Enterprises. We partner with Brayo Wa Ndarugo Mawe to deliver top quality stones to your site stress-free. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more construction insights. This is Njeri from Veewave Enterprises, your trusted partner in building smarter, stronger, and stress-free in Kenya. Until next video, let's keep building excellence together.